Biome is a certain place with certain animals and plants in a certain climate.
Tree frogs or arboreal.
What does that mean?
That means they live up high in the trees.
That's amazing!
And the desert means a rainforest, but it's actually not rainforest because there's a lot of animals. They try to go in the hive, and then when they go in the hive, they get stung by bees. I'm part of the desert team. The rain is less than 10 in the desert, from 25 to over 100 degrees. It's hot.
No.
Summer, it stays light, and in the winter, it stays dark. 24 hours a day.
Rainforest gets 8 to almost 400 inches of rain per year. It's 66 to 70 degrees. The perfect temperature.
Run really fast so no predators get them. Hide into the deep grass.
It's a place with certain animals and plants in a certain climate.
Nocturnal means at dead at night. My favorite nocturnal one is raccoons.
Oh, they're nocturnal?
Yes,
Well, how are they nocturnal?
reflectors in the eyes.
They have reflectors in their eyes so they
Yes.
can see? That's amazing. I'm on the grasslands.
The mountain goat.
Why do you like the mountain goat?
Because it can jump in one leap. Oh, it can jump in one leap as far as two of my dads stacked on top of each other. My favorite animal in the tundra is the snowy owl. It can eat food and it doesn't need to chew food. It can swallow it by itself without chewing it. It has like feathers full like slippers. I'm on the Grasslands team. The climate to the rain is up to 35 inches of rain, and the temperature is
That's amazing.
Climate is the tundra is -40 to +18. It's cold there.